Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make omelette pav at home. First, gather your ingredients: 2 large eggs, 1 small onion, 1 green chili, and 2 pav buns. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of oil, fresh coriander, and seasonings like salt, pepper, and a pinch of turmeric powder. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring you have all the essentials at hand for this delicious snack. Next, let's prepare the omelette mixture. Begin by finely chopping your small onion, green chili, and a small handful of fresh coriander. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk them thoroughly until they are light and frothy. Now, add the chopped vegetables, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of pepper to the whisked eggs. Mix everything together very well to ensure all the flavors are perfectly combined. Now it's time to cook our delicious omelette. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat until it shimmers. Pour the prepared egg mixture into the hot pan, spreading it out evenly to form a round shape. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the edges to set and the center to become almost firm. Gently fold the omelette in half and cook for just another 30 seconds to finish. Finally, let's assemble and serve your homemade omelette pav. Take your 2 pav buns and slice them horizontally, then lightly toast them in the same pan for a minute or 2. Carefully place the freshly cooked, fluffy omelette inside the warm, toasted pav bun. For an extra touch of freshness and flavor, garnish with a sprinkle of additional chopped coriander. Serve your delightful omelette pav immediately with your favorite chutney or ketchup for a truly satisfying snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.